In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Jello Marshmallow Pinwheels. This double color pinwheel is from my earlier batch. This is just for the display purpose. In this video, I'm going to make a strawberry flavored pinwheel, which is the red one. And I'm using jet puffed mini marshmallows. To make this Jello Marshmallow Pinwheel, I need 2 cups of marshmallows, 1 pack of any flavored gelatin, and a cup of water. Now, empty the contents of the sachet into a bowl. Here I am using a 6-ounce pack. I am going to add a cup of water and mix it well. Mix until all the powder dissolves. And microwave this for about 45 seconds. I microwave this for about 45 seconds and I'm going to take it out now. Now it is out of the microwave oven, and you may have to heat it about 45 seconds to 1 minute depending on the microwave. Now I'm going to add my marshmallow into it. Mix it well. Now I'm going to microwave this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the marshmallow melts. Now I'm microwaving this for about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now. Now I'm going to take it out and see whether the marshmallow have melted. Now it's out of the microwave oven and looks like the marshmallow has melted. Now mix it well. Now I mixed it thoroughly and it's a clear lump-free liquid. Take a greased tray or a plate. Now I'm going to pour the liquid into the greased tray. I poured the entire mixture into the tray and now it's ready to go into the refrigerator. I'm going to leave the tray in the refrigerator for about 1.5 to 2 hours until the thing solidifies. Now it's in the refrigerator, so I will show you after it sets. It probably might take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Actually, what happens when you refrigerate is the marshmallow and the jello, they separate into 2 distinct layers. Now it's been 1.5 hours, so let's check what's happening. Looks like it's all set. Now it's all ready and I'm going to cut it into pinwheels. Now gently run the knife around the edges and loosen it. Now lift the sheet from one of the corners and slowly and gently roll it like this. And cut them into slices, either using the knife or a thread. Now our yummy Jello Mallow Pinwheel is ready. Enjoy your pinwheels. And thank you for watching my video.